really successful webinar working with a masterclass of CVI and movement. Cortical visual impairment affects a lot of children with special needs with their visual processing. Well, I'm in the process of writing a book, Unlocking the Secrets to CVI. My CVI includes other visual diagnoses and includes, obviously, movement because it's movement lesson. In writing the book, I just thought, again, with the success of the webinar and stuff, let's just do the book live. We are going to be working on a whole masterclass series on unlocking the secrets of CVI. I hope you join me with my webinar. I want to go over with my course outlines and everything that you need to know to get involved to help your child today. Professionals, parents, all that are welcome. You know, with Movement Lesson, I'm really about parents being able to have that continuity of care and understanding the care needed for their child. Unlocking the Secrets to CVI is a really important masterclass. Why? Because we're going to be discussing not only how I'm going to be reviewing the book, point by point, chapter by chapter. There's no reason that you can't be aggressive at helping your child being able to learn visually as well as through their movements, and they both go hand in hand. Because remember what I always say, if you improve the vision, you improve the movement. So please join me in my webinar. Again, the links and times are below. I'll take you right to my website, and please sign up today and you will get the whole outline and everything that's available for you going into the course. You need to be able to work with your professionals in your life, understanding your child's conditions and understanding what your child needs to do to become more functional. See you soon. Thanks so much.